Jan Haynes, and I'm from the Glenwood Springs area.
Okay. And tell me, Jan, when was the first time you were treated with stem cells and what for?
It was initially for a lower back injury. I had a fractured sacrum, and I'd had quite a few surgeries for that, and did good for about 10 years, and then all the chronic pain came back. It was pretty severe.
And what was done at your initial stem cell procedure, which is, what, about 9 months ago?
It's been, yeah, February of 16. What was done?
Yeah. What area was treated specifically?
We did my lumbar area first, and then I came back, and we eventually ended up in the T section of the spine, along with my knees and my hips.
And tell me about the results from the initial lumbar treatment to your disc. What changed for you?
The intensity of pain, because I was up around an 8 or a 9 on the pain scale, and within 2 weeks I was down to about a 2. And today, in that part of my back, unless I really overlift or are on my feet way too long during the day, I'll get a little pinch of pain, but other than that, I'm pretty pain-free.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
And how did you come about choosing Thrive MD to have your stem cell treatment with all the other choices out there? How did you end up with Dr. Brand at Thrive MD?
Well, I went to be Cookie the Clown one day at the hospital, and I said, you know, I sure wish I could find somebody that did bioidentical hormone treatment. Sure enough, there he was on the front page of the Glenwood Post. So I read about Dr. Brandt from that article and made an appointment to come in for the bioidentical hormone treatment. I told him one day about my really bad chronic pain, and he told me he really thought they could help me here, and that's how I got started.
That's terrific. And are there any things, about the procedure, other pieces of it or the recovery that you'd want to share with people that are thinking about having one of these procedures?
The recovery was pretty easy. It was just hard for me to stay put once I didn't have that high intensity of pain, and I was told just to take it easy for a little bit. And the full healing process may take up to 1 year, but you will feel better day by day, and that's true.
And you subsequently went on and had some other areas treated once you had the success with the first area. And how are those areas doing?
I don't have any pain in my hips at all anymore, and I don't have any pain in my knees.
That's terrific.
Yeah.
And you've got ski season coming up?
Yeah, first time in 3 years. My husband just can't wait. With the snow, please come.
That's great. And as far as doing this testimonial for us, I just wanted to be sure that you have no problems with us using this testimonial for purposes of letting other people know about Thrive MD.
No, I wish more people could come in. I really do.